Alright, we have a competition to see who can build the largest, the longest single cup castle. And then the big bad wolf here will have to huff and puff and blow it down. Mayo, where's yours? How you shape up there? Afi, come, Papa. You done? Daddy, how you say can go?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a more cup.
Watch your Maya got cup, bar cup. Yeah? Where you going on? And she used single cup. She's smart. She used single and double. Stand up next to it. Let me see. Italia. How you shape up there, Ari? She was just blow down. And it wasn't me. I didn't blow it. Papi, watch Aria call you. Watch Aria call you for Brockshire Castle. Come quick. Come, Papa, come. Come see what Ari got. Come. He put a spell. Avi? Come, Papa, try to carry knock him down.
No, I'm gonna do this thing for it. You come if you are. Never mind. Hey, watch your pint in the yard. Yeah.
Remember, he contracted. His contractor want to buy this land, and then people still want they don't want to sell because they gonna build a house for them. So it's his job to destroy. It's his job, Papi. Papi, drive him and watch Maya. Watch Maya. Watch Maya. Watch Maya. Uh-oh, she vexed. Uh-oh.
Very vexed, Tosha Brown. She gonna continue build.
Come, baby, come. Come, mommy, sorry, come. All right, mommy, sorry, come. Brother gotta knock it down, right? Brother is the contractor. Right, contractor, you want to build road, you want to build resort. Alright, you want to build a resort and knock down a little house. Alright, not cry. Just have fun. Stories from some little mouse or squeak.
Yeah, look what these.
The one that look nice, he can take a nice blow in.
No.
No. Afi, what's Aria call for huff and puff?
No.
And a huff, and a puff, and blow it out. What he breathe a blow nice now, hey, boy. Mine not touch it, mine. Oh, no, you're not supposed to touch it. You're supposed to blow it. I want you to build this single castle, but with one cup. No double up, no cheating. No double up. Right? And you have a time limit to finish. Right? By the time you don't count to 20, let me see how high you're going to reach, right? Start from scratch 3. I got to start count first, right?
1, right? 1.
And you're getting $100 for however high you think. And if me was ideas, in the meantime, me attack and prattle here, me would have done lose out all and co-op and sing them out. So I just got to pick up and build. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I'm going to count to 10, right? 20, right? Yeah. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! I did for real. It's a hard are you a fun? Real knock down out. She would have win. You would have win, but you knock him down.
I get 300.
Alright, let me go for round 2.
Alright.
Round 2 you only get $100, right?
Okay.
No, alright. You get back $100. You get $100, yeah. Ready?
Or who come first get $100?
Not how much you billing or who win.
Yeah.
They get in amount. Come, puppy, sit here. Mittens come in the dance. Mittens come in the dance. Ready? Alright, let's go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You gotta open yourself. 11, 15, sorry, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right on, I can't come up for you. Then I put a mission. 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Andrea win! How much you gotta read? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What? 1, 2, 3.
Careful.
How much you gotta get?
Be careful.
You gotta get a whole $900 there. Huh? Ew! What happened to you?
They buy the white paper, buy different color except white.
You gotta get white? You don't spend a whole hour for to buy the 2 things. You go again? Come.
And we will start, please.
Come, no, sit down here and let me see. We're doing a competition. The person who built the largest single cup tower in the count of 20, they win, and how much ever cup you use, they get $100 to each. Because if you want to buy this land where you build pan, right, and I don't want to sell, so here come bulldoze everything. You can practice in the meantime. Anyway, come. Alright, me go join her just from here. Who will pay me if me win?
Keep the money.
I work so me want money in the hand. Alright, ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey! They don't count up to 20.
I didn't realize. She put 2.
You're married, Kite? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got to go 2 first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She put 1 on top, just now. I tie. Redo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We lose. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good, very fine now.
Yay! Finally!
I think I'll beat them. We got a champion. Rihanna, my tie. Rihanna.
Ariana.
Well, let me see what you can.
Rihanna tie just now. Go lang sa breeze na flow there.
Uncle Billy.
Rihanna $900. Why you lock the door?
We got it light. But the breeze. The breeze will make it more.
Rihanna 900 so far. Ariane, she tied just now.
Me cup,
So no, you gotta take for that.
Take you, keep you. How much cup you got?
Right now count to 20, right?
Yeah.
Wait, you hope no make cup like
That's
that.
why I'm going to
I play no games with me.
Papi, you come sit down with mommy, come.
How cup you got, Larry?
Them this well seasoned in this game now, you know. Dion you lose.
Ayan.
Because then just done well seasoned with the game already.
You ready?
Alright? If you blow down, you gotta start build back, right? So we start with a 1. You gotta sit flat or else you're not gonna go average. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ria Vex.
Oh, Ria, start ba?
Ria Vex.
Come, Ria.
Just now, I will cry now, Ria cry.
Come, Ria. Ria, come. Ria, you win. Ria win. Come, Ria.
Oh my God.
I see what you do. Ria.
Oh my God.
Ria. Have fun.
Alright, baby, the game call off. We call off. We starting back. That was Daddy's practice session. Come. Come. That was just practice session for Daddy. Come. Come on, we just joking.
All right.
You can't put two like this.
What do you mean in the rules? What?
He gotta do that. He gotta put two cup and do the thing.
I've been do that earlier.
But that's
Alright.
cheating.
But that was too high. I mean, I got so much money for you.
There you go.
Right?
Nobody come out, nobody thing, right?
You had a practice session. No, nobody not blow.
Let's go.
Ready? Rick, come up a little more close for me now. Good girl. Alright, ready? I want me to go to 30 or 20, okay?
20.
You can lock, alright. This wrong, you can lock the door if you want.
Alright. Yeah, go on. Para blue.
Good. There you go.
So I'll give her a 20, right? Let's
Where you come from now?
pull in the door. This session here, then getting a little more lenient, more better deal.
So big word.
Right? You know, big word. Lenient mean you're being easy on you.
Oh, okay.
Come, there you go. Start quick.
Right?
Please look.
Alright, so let's go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What speed is Harry? 6, 7, 8, 9. Take your time, Ria. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Smart.
19,
Smart.
20. What? Me guys get 2 grand? Me gotta go bank now. Harry?
Yo. Let me see me to go higher. Let me see me to go to a move. Let me see me to go higher.
Wait, we'll see if we can bill him.
Why?
Dina touch the thing. Ooh, 22. Wanna dance, boy? So me owe she 2,000, me owe she 900.
There's a lot of cash. Who pay now?
Them say you, me no know.
Me.
Me hear Ria say daddy packet. No. Because me ask them if me win who go pay me. That's how that's a Dion packet. Me no know. I don't know we go pay to Kite. Are we gonna do some kite paste in your feet, my already? Yeah, Dion.
This thing tastes more better than the first spoon.
Tell Georgie, you guys.
I'm food taste more good than I want.
My Georgie, Milo said this liver taste more nice than when you just buy and give me. Wow, I will give you a little food a little late, but he good. Milo, tell Auntie Georgie, hello, me miss you. Milo cute, eh? Hold up, I'm gonna pay some kite. Hold it. You buy wrong paste. So that the clear one? Alright, come on, go. Get to work.
I got the
Let me see if you're gonna do it. No way I do.
Yeah, your scissors.
Come, Papa, let's go.
Yeah, your muffin feet.
Let's go, yes, come. Maybe now you may want to buy 2 kites or don't pay yes already. The fit doesn't matter, but I want the kids them pay kite. That's why I never do it.
So the clear one give me. It's not hot? Let us try something new. Board cut the ground, please.
You're going to take a whole board kite
And make a cup frame.
and paste it on this
You
here.
say something new. About to do something new. You like it, huh?
I know I can do it. Hop, skip, jump into it. Let's go. About to be something new. Huh?
Here it is, so.
How I know the song? You see much picnic I got, girl?
Your turn. It's your turn.
Hey, you ever hear this one? When we smile and I used to go by me see my brother man report the on. Them say how what story? Let me see everything. So me so I see my brother man report because he used to say by one of my mommy his cousin there. And they used to, every time we go they used to tell about one joke about a Chinese lady who live next door. And it's a night time then as well I sit down and I hear one lady sing one song. Fufu Janiga wana fufuji. And to this day, I don't know what that thing mean. No, you gotta sing it in your nose. Fufu Janiga wana fufuji. That's cold now done. Can't sing through my nose even though it's black up. Papi, leave it, man. Papi. Let's try the phone, Papa.
What a big for him there.
Happy New. Should I make a couple of snacks for them picnic this man? Want to keep them out short?
Yeah.
But you got it. No. Don't worry about it.
Run this place and walk like you.
Are you
Make that plastic, I think. It's supposed to get the
Let me see what.
You go fly? That one is go fly.
If you go fly.
You go fly?
What you
That don't
mean?
make you go fly. That doesn't look like you take off first.
You know white face on it?
Huh?
You know white face on it? They matter some way.
I got my face.
Go bring it.
Where?
Can I help?
You got one? No paste. Hey, make a shoe paste. You want that? Shoe paste. Strong
When
paste.
they shoot and that's fall to the bottom, it pierce the bottom. May I heal them?
Wow.
A strong paste.
Here, cut this paper. Hey, use this thing. Go for the paper.
Stop it.
And action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action.
Right.
How does that go? It's like a movie. Girl, you're on the show. Baby girl, how you whine. Something about your groovy. How's that go, Dion? It's like a movie. Me want lyrics. Me no want that you give me there.
Lyrical.
That will be you, Kite? That me want to do purple. I know how the kite paper so thin. That look like breeze pass through that.
Yeah. You that one that
Here. Tara na sing fufu dyan ang ano. Di, I can't put too much space. You got Fufu dyan, fufu. Hey, what if everybody gonna remember this song? Fufu dyan, fufu. No, me na po PS Kite. Ariana, kaya grandma test ko siya for PS Kite. She's up to no for the walking. She buying lang. She buy me sure she been a man. Kite when she been young, she must know for PS Kite. She not teach her son for PS Kite.
You okay?
There you go, call your mother. Actually, she know for PS Kite. Let me call she. She asleep?
I think so. No, watch a movie. Now she's gonna cook.
I'm to the music today. Yesterday when I played music. What you do? You watch Netflix?
Your husband and all that in the back over YouTube. Your husband has sing that for you? What do you want?
How you know you sing?
Can I hear it?
You didn't know you back to ears. I'm here now. I be what? No. If you know for PS Kite.
Daddy.
What?
I be know you been a man kite when you been a little girl grew up. I be want know if you know for PS Kite.
No.
How you know for PS Kite?
One big brown paper over the kite. You listen to my plastic kite, sorry.
I let the man, me thought you know for PS Kite. Later. Over and out.
So if this is the part, where what will happen to the rest?
Hey man, what you make this thing tear? Me tell you about too much paste. Hey, let me go for YouTube and get tutorial for paste cake.
Pupujana, pupujana, pupuki.
Do you how much paper you buy?
Like 5.5 tier.
Let me keep out paste for them. This thing's supposed to stiff,
You
man.
are piece of
Look, let me get hold of it. You gotta use little bit.
Friggin' piece of kinat word na yun.
Not for shoe, not for kite.
Well, you stop paying Kite and you go on with Joe.
Hey, when you come
Are you sing a song for me? Ako yun na sing pa mic and karaoke. You don't know what I sing. You can't sing without mic. You're celebrity. You're celebrity. Eh? You're celebrity. She's celebrity. Hey, wala sa iya pa na uncle.
Baba?
Oh no, uncle, what is that pan TikTok uncle? Celebrity. How does that go on? Nahone dinge, nahone dinge, nahone dinge, nahone dinge. I like to shout out a happy birthday. Hey, my host, my rasp, my throat hot. Come on, I need results. Give me some good results.
Tell Daddy.
Your kite doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry. Once you go up in the air, nobody not see him back what you look like, you know.
Exactly. Yeah, for real.
So you're gonna study.
Watch it
If you put the car in the one, and I'll know go see.
Free glue just for one Kite.
Hey, yeah. Now put glue on the thing. Paper.
What's wrong with
Daddy brought up what? No,
Give me.
Tiny
it?
little one.
Perfect.
Think I'm purple.
Great.
Thanks, baby. Where is it from?
You know what you do here?
That's away from Maya.
Up in there. You just drop it down. Please for the face. Thank you. Papi, we're going now, Pop. Tell you don't watch this stupid social media. Hey, give me the scissors, Mama. Hey, guys! Didn't move. The kite done with. The kite done with.
I didn't cut
The
it.
kite done with, watch.
I didn't cut it.
You got strand eventually. You got strand eventually.
Bago sa Korea naman.
You idol.
Ayan lang.
Kite done with it. You got boss.
Ano?
You not go hold.
Pinahumidenge.
Oh!
And you get on me,
It's just what?
It's just so dry.
Yes, just so dry. Yes, Papi. Yes, Papi. Yes, Papi. Yes.
This plastic na hole, that is problem.
At least namin damage the kite. Ari falls damage it. Ari idol. Ari take watch. You see, boss?
He pull it!
Yeah, but you were the boss anyways. Amaya, you see the paper you fell to the bag there? Go and pick it up. Nobody needs it for later. Alright. Seeing that all we paper damage and thing, the younger forgot buy more paper. Hey, pull out that thing where and buy back fresh paper. And the man a better kite paper sell. This kite paper soft. This is a really strong face, and I gotta be careful. This is shoot.
This is cut this cloth. Buffalo is cloth.
No!
Wait. Not do the mama, she makes everything about it. You gotta focus, bro. If you don't focus, you're gonna lose it.
Wash.
I mean,
You didn't even.
This is so boring.
you know me ask Ria for the ice water, Ria come to get it for me.
Yeah, because it's too bad.
Why are you gonna hold the kite in your hand? You can't put it down here. Let me do one piece though.
Ito na gano'n, piece. Ito na piece.
Where is come for this space there? Be gone, please. Shack out. What do you pay for? Where's call for this? I don't know. What do you pick with this at home?
You're right.
Let me cover for the space. Check for sure. Your last is cover for the space. My face don't like your hand. For your mouth.
Ei, vem como é.
One little
Oh,
piece.
look. Okay.
Good.
Thanks.
You want different color kite paper? Very black one.
No, put this at the top here now.
What?
This
There's
one
three
didn't
for
bring
the
the
top
back,
here.
baby, you know?
Sim.
I can just slant alone.
We're gonna cover this whole piece, eh?
No, you put no.
Pink,
You
black,
put,
pink.
You go, you put different color and you check them.
So when this I go here.
Black pink.
The back is one
Black
here.
Black pink.
Agora tá com seta paper. Ada
Black
filter do.
Not there. Are there?
Yeah, here and here.
Yeah, yeah.
Black man.
The pace now walk good, girl.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, I have to come in line, leave, come.
Blah, 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 blah.
There's your revenge.
What color am I got in there? You understand? Now because me argue with your party, I'm gonna argue with you.
Good.
That's not your place.
Mommy.
Yeah, baby. What happened? You see you sweat? Oh God. Is this place terribly
We
hot?
borrow there, we borrow there.
He that big flow.
No, no, keep it coming line, you see.
Oh, you put a line on the tree. That thing short so.
Short like you.
Don't make it pick on me like.
Ria, go bend the black for me.
Ai, tal. Ai,
He doesn't go orange.
Go bend the black for me.
Metal.
Oh, my God.
We see me no I go on Google, YouTube.
No, start fine. You just got frame on the start fine. You got frame it. A different settings.
Me at about to go for YouTube for learn to make the design of a face for the kite.
You two when you got me? What's wrong with you, girl?
You gotta go me want me for make them design. Me little you can very creative, eh?
Hey, you can make star.
Me see Araf make he put up on Facebook he face kite with it for that too. Me never see what kite look like I don't finish. The must got up on your YouTube channel. What a YouTube channel is?
I think it's mobile or something.
Mobile Wizard, yeah. Hey Araf, Mobile Wizard. Take a bigger bye. You did well. You're doing a good job as a father. You pace it you pace it at the kite. I want to feel it because this man comment on your thing saying
Check
that
out. Clean.
I want to feel because I comment on your Facebook thing saying that
Nah.
the yard promised them kids that he gonna pay their kite and make it fulfilling the promise.
No.
Because he always be a dodge for we. And you don't like your promise me, you'll make kite to me.
About a week ago.
I was back in the day, so you so taxi.
Back in the days, me table the same year, hey, Pana.
That was a couple years ago.
Well, who blaming me? Who dinging me?
But who tagging she?
I a friend of you. You's a friend of me.
Why is that fun? We got the video that read. Why she
Me
like a
too.
sword girl? And
Me
Ria.
too. I went
But
to,
who tagging me? I go see what play water there.
and if you see me face,
Come to the face.
no, the way I make it now.
How you make it?
Funny.
Like a celebrity?
No. Why?
You better not see your body right. You see who you play water there.
Who else? Only one man play what?
Water dad. Tarun.
How you cut out isso?
What make I
How
hear?
isso dele ligado, ó? How isso high ligado for?
Voila. Let's see what make I hear.
Só fala.
I don't laugh me.
Oh,
This about put in the middle of the kite.
ela deve.
Larry, guess what? Guess what?
Put in this in
Yes.
place in this in the middle of the kite, right? Nee. A black one, what kind but then you put
You
it
don't know,
right
make
small.
a small black one.
Come on, let you see. Hey, me, I got stick 4 pints, so 2 pints in one book
Yeah,
page.
yeah, yes.
I got say, you know what cardio punch?
Huh? No.
Huh? You can say, huh?
No. Wait,
You can say,
no.
huh?
No,
No.
I don't pan.
Wait, no?
No pan.
Huh?
Party.
Paddy no, cardio punch.
Oh.
She not crabby party.
Cardio punch is
Party.
kite with a fly over small. You take your book paper. When I tell you about damage of the book, you know. I get to fight it, stick and through. Stick and through. You put 2 string at the bottom, you make your tail, you make your loop, and you set them up. You fly high, you know. Hey, y'all. Harry Potter, Mine have cut up the paper, man.
Sorry, hold it stiff. Stiff.
Stiff as in full, right? No book paper?
Hard paper.
I gotta get the ball. Think it's cool. I gotta get the ball.
Oh, that are the kite, that are the string to play this.
What, thank you.
Abby.
Yeah, fight the man. This might be too heavy.
Mama, looking at the Elsa kite. I want Elsa kite.
Oh, I love flower.
I want Elsa kite. That's just like the carrot one.
The next blue one.
Hey, Ray, bring your broom for me quick.
I ready to.
Hi, broom, right? Now bring my brand new broom.
Oh.
But you got out the broom by she got in your neighbor house on.
Should I get them?
Aha. Yeah, and then I get some.
Now that's thinking room. Get rid of thinking room, yeah. Trust me if I know of you.
Who's that? Yes, sir.
Thank you. We need it.
Scissors. You want scissors, Mommy? I need it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go get the brother. Bring him and come in the house.
Mr. Blonde.
Yeah.
Mr.
Are you? Pause the video. Stop the video and you will start another. Wait, Papi. You want board, right? Hey, Mama. Are you supposed to draw a line? Suppose me go bend now.
Oh, you look at that.
Yeah.
Mom, Papi. Sit down here.
Ada.
Yay! I got the top. Or the tail got a tail. What about this? Not
Good. I have the perfect tail.
Very hard to speak, you know.
It's same.
This piece of the
This same thing.
Hey, not trouble. I had trouble. It's trouble with me. Trouble. And I look like I don't trouble already. Bye. It's not tail.
I'm good.
Huh?
I catch fish.
That's straight like.
Ooh.
Oh.
Thank you. Wait, no man. You look. Take that one. Look.
Mama.
Yeah. Hmm? Me? What is me? What is me? I thought we do stinky, but this is how me looking so far. Me no gonna worry. And you know this little piece, eh? Just stick this little piece in the middle, for the thing stay at the back. Forget your kite flying. When you make it loose. Shaping up. But me like the black thing we got on there. Look like a witch mask.
Oh, you're going to make a little orange, another one now for go middle now.
Me make a purple one. Put the purple.
Put that button in anybody. Me forget.
Melt the cheese in bread. Amaya, please pick up your bread from the table.
Yes, Carl,
But this one here, you can comb down here. Wait, make frill?
Here?
How you shape up there?
Get through. You can have a.
They send me in the Chinese for buy the drinks and the snack. And watch me come back in here and smell. Mess with the whole car smell. What you eating there, girl?
Yeah, man, argue who the most biggest chicken mouth in this car.
Ariana, of course. Ariana, I have a chocolate of 5 piece chicken right there. What did you laugh at? If they're not a guilty laugh, that one. 5 piece chicken you eat one time. Alright, we're on the move now. We're going to the Seawall for the kids to fly kite. I see rain falling, so it's not going to happen yet. We reached the Seawall. Trying to get teeth pain. A lot of families are out here already. The Seawall looking nice. From the breeze by. Somebody kite singing, right? I'll be the same white one on the top there. Some are sing, some are whine. Don't worry. A days for blurry videos. Don't come there soon. Yeah, what's up, Barbies? What a better way to have an afternoon, to spend an afternoon. Some nice fresh air, some nice breeze, quiet time with the family. Them this time, this can't never get back, you know. I told you, by the time I was fine, but I supposed rain to fall, you know. Dance with the so some Princess Sophia, sir. I'm gonna hear you. That nice how you dance at the ghetto.
And I see a princess put on this side.
Yeah, but be sure she's not dancing so. She must spin and go by her toe and flick and flick and flick.
There you go.
Yeah, let me show you how. Hold the camera. Damn, this thing got so much of that at the house. Come and see what I see somebody popping. Watch out if me slide down here. Oh, look really little.
Teddy bear. He looks like Daddy.
Oh, look how cute. Is she back? She popping now, Mama? You like the puppy? Oh, too cute. Come. There's big man here, Lucy picking them kite. He can roll up. What the hell? Bring it here. Come here. Come here. Go there. Stand up here, Papa. No, you're too easy. Yo, where you about? Yeah. Mày get you on. Maya, come here. Yum yum. Yum yum. Them is like KFC macaroni and cheese. What's it on there? In the car trunk. If it's comfortable, they buy.
4 run. Hey! Come.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. You look like you're set, Rebel.
Oh, baru man come there. Amaya got really overdone.
Alright guys, that's it for us for this afternoon. You have something to say? Time for go home. Rain cutting up your running. So anyway, them kids still had fun. All them going through the... Yeah. Time for roll out. Hey, we lashed on this truck when I'm at phone the other day. What you got? Alright guys, that's it for us for this afternoon, and we had our little celebration, pre-Easter celebration at the Seawall with the kids. They had some fun at home. Dion attempted to pace Kite. We didn't do the kite in the air because he never bring it for flight. Hopefully tomorrow he's gonna fly it. He gotta do the loop. So he not get the loop for fix. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining, and do continue to give us your support. One love. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. We're on our way home. We're on our way home. Tanisho. Umesh Besasar. Ariana Balkaran. Tarun Besasar. Shivati Besasar. Sorry for tayo chura. And me not forget you $2,000 when you win. And Rihanna $900, right? I'll give you all your money just now.